Welcome! Today I'll show you how to create an e-commerce support workflow from scratch using Kaman AI. This workflow will automatically take customer inputs, run some logic, and then call the LLM to generate a nice customer-facing response, streamlining your operations and enhancing the customer experience. First, click on Create, then Workflow. You'll see options to build automatically or manually. For this video, we'll proceed manually so you understand each part. Next, drag and drop a custom function node onto your canvas. Inside this node, we'll define inputs, outputs. In this case, I am putting order_number, outputs like status, message, and prompt, and the logic code that connects them. Now, search for the callLLM tool and drag it in. Search for the callLLM function and drag it in. Connect your custom function node to the callLLM function. For input mapping, use the relevant output from your node. Select the model you want to use, such as GPT-4 or GPT-4o. Enter the basic details, workflow name, description, and version, then save your changes. That's it. The workflow is ready. Click on Test. Enter an input, such as an order number, and add your message. Then click Execute. The function will process the input, verify eligibility, and generate a polished customer response using the LLM. Once your workflow is ready, you'll want to attach it to your agent. Here's how. Go to My Resources and filter by agents. Find the agent you want to add this workflow to and click View/Edit. Under the Tools section, look for your workflow by name and select it. Click Next, Next, and Save. That's it. Your workflow is now linked to the agent. So that's how easy it is to create any workflow in Kaman AI, starting from a custom function, connecting it to the LLM, and running a quick test. You can expand this workflow for shipping, returns, refunds, or even full customer support automation.